Welcome to our tutorial about the scale command. Scaling an object adjusts the size based on a ratio that you specify. In my drawing area, I've got some geometry, including a rectangle that's 20 units by 10 units in size, and a line that's 2.5 units long. Let's activate the scale command with a left click. I'll select the rectangle and the circle, right-click to finish the selection. Now we specify the base point for the move. I'm going to use the reference option, so let's right-click and scroll down to Reference. I'm going to use the length of my line as a reference. Let's turn ortho mode off. Basically, the length of this line is equal to half the distance between this point and this point. In essence, what I'm doing is scaling my model by 200%. Left-click to accept, and let's activate the Scale tool again. Select the circle and the rectangle, right-click to finish the selection. Now we select the baseline, right-click, copy. This time, let's specify the scale factor numerically in the command line. Let's enter 0.5 and press Enter. And this concludes our lesson about using the Scale tool.